I'm Harry Landers. I'm 71. What gives me much of the pleasure of my life is running and training for and running marathons. I was starting at base zero. I had no fitness whatsoever, but I also had this sense of this is a base that I can build from.
We don't have patients that run hours and hours and hours several months after this surgery, so it was a bit of an unknown, but also a way to learn.
After the 30-day checkup, I started a cardiac rehab program. I kind of implemented my own training program. Once I finished cardiac rehab and I looked at the calendar for the Tokyo Marathon, I realized I had about 8 to 10 weeks to get ready for that marathon, so it was a highly concentrated training period. I loved the process of getting fitter every day. Just because you're starting at a low base doesn't mean you're not going to climb that hill very gradually over a period of time. It'll get better.